everybody, I just wanted to remind you how to get into the textbook if you haven't already tried to do that using the My IT Lab. So you need to log into My IT Lab, and then when you get in, you will go to your course materials. My window is going to look a little bit different because I have some additional tools, but you will see course materials over to the left, and when you click on it, you should see both the technology in action and then also the Word and PowerPoint and Excel folders. If you click on the technology in action folder, you will then have access to the individual activities in the chapters or to the e-text. So if you click on the e-text, excuse me, you should be able to then click on the e-text option. You should get, looks like this is coming out of my window a little bit, you may get an intermediate window that asks you to click for access, and then you can just click on the Here button. If for any reason it pops up that you need to run Adobe Flash or install Adobe Flash, you are going to need to do that. Otherwise, it should come right to the Technology in Action textbook. The quiz that we're going to be having, so what I asked you to do this week was to read chapters 2 and 3, and when the book comes up, you should have over here to the left a table of contents. Here's chapter 2, here's chapter 3. What's nice about working within this window is that the text is linked, so if you want to get to a particular area, all you need to do is click on it and it will go to that page specifically. Also in the textbook, you will see that there are some highlighted words, and it allows you to click on them to get to the glossary definition. So there are some interactive tools in here. In order to move around, you do have the next page and previous page buttons here. You also could go directly to a certain page, if you leave off somewhere. And then also you have the ability to see 2 pages. Okay. One page is probably going to be a little bit easier to read. Anyway, so what you're going to do is read through chapters 2 and 3, and we will be working with these in class on Wednesday night as well. But I'd like you to be prepared, so please make sure you do read and familiarize yourself with the materials ahead of time. Okay, thanks. If you have any questions, email me at jbaker@northshore.edu.